Kimberly is doing the hoovering. Good girl, she's doing the hoovering. Tidy up everywhere. Correct pikin. Are you tired? Let me help you. Okay, I can help you now. Thank you very much. Now, you want to over? Okay. You see? Good girl, very clever. She's so clever, 15 months old. Doing the hoovering. 15 months old. You see? Very clever baby. Isn't it you clever, Kimberly? Yeah, Kimberly, say bye. Say bye. Oh yeah, say bye.